Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the day 9 of calligraphy. So, we are now done with the lowercase letters. From today, we'll be learning the uppercase letters. So, the group 1 includes B, P, R, M, and N. So, while writing uppercase letters, make sure you write it on the two boxes. So, start it from here with a small curve, come down like this, take two boxes, then again go up with a thin curve, come down with a thick curve, again come down with a thick curve, turn with a thin curve. So make a thin curve, come down with a thick curve, thin curve, thick curve, again a thick curve with a small thin curve. So next is P. So even here write it in the same way with a thin curve, come down with a thick stroke, make a thin curve, come down with a thick stroke like this and turn with a thin curve. So next letter is R. So while writing R, first make a P like before, like this, make a small turn like this and come down with a thick stroke. So make a P first, take a turn and come down with a thick stroke. So the next is M. So even here make a small curve with a thick down stroke, go up, again go up with a thin curve, come down with a thick stroke, again make a thin curve and again come down with a thick stroke. So make sure this is thin and this is thick so that it looks good. So the last letter for today is N. So N is same as M. So make a thin curve, come down with a thick stroke, go up with a thin curve and come down with a thick stroke. So that's N. So this was all for your day 9. I'll be sending a snapshot of this. Repeat the work on 6 lines and keep practicing. Thank you.